G'day guys, and welcome to our Greentop Teardown episode. So in this video we're going to be tearing down the $350 FG Greentop that we picked up last week. So this is a 2008 Greentop, and assuming my beliefs are correct, this has the 3R rods. So these motors on the 85 have been pushed to over 500 kilowatts at the wheels, making it a good budget option. So this motor will actually be going in the Falcon. We've rebuilt the BA motor which is in the car currently, and that motor will be running a sub 10 psi 98 and E85 flex fuel setup prior to installing this motor. So this motor is going to be getting a full overhaul, so head, lower assembly, pistons, rods, everything will come off. The only thing we're going to leave together is the rods and the pistons, as they're a press fit gudgeon pin, unlike the turbos which have a full floating pin. So we'll be tearing this down today and getting it ready to be hot washed and ultrasonic. Although I have taken the rocker cover and dropped the sump off it, and it is looking very good. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the teardown series. This should be in the car in 3 to 5 months if everything goes well. But between now and then, we are going to sort out a different box other than the 4-speed. I'm going to be building this for now just to tolerate some of the power we'll be putting out with the BA motor. But I want a strong driveline when this does go in. So we are looking into a couple options. T400, 2-speed power glide. I know that I want to go auto. I just don't know what to put in. So, you know, if the streetability of a power glide is something that we can arrange, then that'll definitely be my go-to. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into the teardown. Yeah, so it's pretty well spotless, even further down. Super clean, and I've just had a look under it, and it does look like we have those beefy 3R rods, so that's what we're after. So yeah, there's two 13mm bolts retaining the oil pickup in, and then two 8mm, which I've got the two 8mm. I'll just get the other. That's it. Very good. Take this rocker cover off and we'll have a look at our cams. Right guys, so as you saw, we've just disassembled all of our manifolds and the like. Now it's time to get stuck into the motor itself. So first up, we're going to be taking the timing off. The only thing you need for this is an 8mm and 10mm ratcheting spanner ideally, and that'll get everything from oil pump to chain and guides off. You also will need the 13 for the pivot. Done. Nice clean chain. There's the timings real quick. Alright, so it's time to get the set off. All these head bolts can get thrown out. It's time. Hopefully it all looks good. Now that's a first. Stock gasket has stayed completely in one piece. That's crazy. I'll just put him in. Everything's like super clean. There's really minimal carbon on these pistons as well, but everything's going to get a nice clean up anyway. Right, time to take our girdle off and we're going to check some of the bearings. And that's going to be where we leave it at today. They definitely don't look like they've done 290,000 Ks, so my car had done 140 and I can tell you they were much worse than these. So that's good. So just a note, these can't be reused. So we will end up going with some ARP studs. Alright, that's off. This is the moment of truth. So I can't actually read the rods from inside. Let's have a look at our bearing on here first. Okay, that's alright. That is okay. So we can deal with that. And there it is. It's a 3R rod. So this is a press fit gudgeon. So as you can see, the con rod and the pin, they are fixed. The piston will rotate independently of the pin and the con rod. We'll be running E85 and this will be fine. We'll just run our new studs. Very happy. Right guys, teardown is complete for today. We have stripped the Greentop FG motor and I'm pretty happy with it. We've come up lucky and we do have the 3R rods as expected, and these are noticeably beefier than the BA and early BF rods that I'm familiar with. So hopefully these will hold the power they are supposedly supposed to hold and are capable of taking. So this will be set up for E85. We'll be going billet, girdle, billet oil pump gears, Empire Elite timing chain. We'll be going valve springs with titanium retainers. We might try Dominator Motorsports ones on this build, but we'll see how we go. We'll also be going head studs, MLS head gasket, main studs, big end rod studs as well. And that's pretty much going to be the basics of it. There may be some changes along the way, but that'll be it for now. So before all of that is ordered and we get that, it's just going to be cleaning. Alright guys, so next video is going to be assembly of our BA NA motor in the car, and hopefully we'll get that running soon. I don't think you'll see a video for a while on this Greentop, as there's quite a lot of parts we'll be chasing up, and I'd like to do a complete assembly video. So just a comprehensive guide with sections on the whole process of the assembly, and yeah, I do expect that one will drag on quite a bit. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna block the street off. I don't even need to say that.